Hello students, welcome to the class. My name is H.C. Bhatt. Students, the topic of today's class is the straight line. You can see the problem on the board. Let's start. It is saying that the perpendicular bisector of the line segment. This is a line segment PQ. It is saying the perpendicular bisector. Its perpendicular bisector is this line, and the perpendicular bisector has y-intercept -4. It means y-intercept -4 means the x coordinate is 0. It means 0 -4. This perpendicular bisector is passing through a point 0, -4. Suppose this point is M and this point is N. Now, first of all, what we will do, we will find the coordinates of N. P is 1, 4 and Q is K, 3. Now, the midpoint, we will use the midpoint formula. The x coordinate would be K plus 1 by 2. K plus 1 by 2. We have to find the average of the x coordinates, and the y coordinate of the midpoint would be 4 plus 3, that is 7. 7 by 2. So these are the coordinates of point N. Now what we will do, we will find the slope of PQ. Slope of PQ. We know that the slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is the formula. We have to use it. So slope would be y2 minus y1 means 3 minus 4 upon x2 minus x1 means k minus 1. Or we can say minus 1 over k minus 1. This is the slope of PQ. Now we have to find the slope of MN. Slope of MN. So we will use the same formula and we will get y2 minus y1 means 7 by 2 minus 4 means 7 by 2 plus 4 over x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1 means k plus 1 by 2 minus 0. Now we have to simplify it. So we will get 4 into 2, 8 plus 7, that is 15 divided by k plus 1. You can try it and you will get the same. This is the slope of MN and this is the slope of PQ. We know that if the lines are perpendicular, then the product of the slope is -1. Suppose its slope is M1, its slope is M2, because they are perpendicular, the product of the slope would be -1. We will use this property. We will do -1 over k minus 1 into 15 over k plus 1 equal to -1. We have to solve it for k. So let's do it. So because the minus sign would get cancelled, we will get 15 upon k minus 1, k plus 1. We get k square minus 1 equal to 1. It means k cross multiplication, k square minus 1 equal to 15. And it gives us k square equal to 15 plus 1, that is 16. Now k equal to square root of 16. Because we are taking the square root, we will use plus minus sign. So k equal to plus minus 4. So we are getting two values of k, 4 and -4. Students, I hope the solution is clear to you. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.